we go. So it goes in at that angle there. Then it's got a power cable. Now the power cable is the thing that keeps breaking. Okay, and to adjust, you'll be freaked out of this. If we get 3 of these working, I mean that one's got, look, it's been taped like that anyway, it's not going to work, is it? Oh yes it does. Okay, so this is the thing, it's got an on-off switch on the back, so this powers the lens now. So this takes Canon lenses now, and you've got 2 Canons in there, you've got a 100mm and a 50mm. So if we start off with the 100mm one, which would probably be the longer of the 2. I'll give you that. Okay, so dots to dots again. Okay, and you should be able to... The way that you do your iris is by... okay, so you no longer control the iris with the camera. You can control the iris with this live view thing, these buttons on the side here. So if when you plug it in you haven't got a value, so this is now f3.2, so I'm going to keep it as open as possible. So that's saying it's a 2.2 lens, that one. I thought it was wider than that. Oh, it will go. Okay, so it's an f2 lens, so I'm tangling it up. So you can get some really big close-ups. In fact, it's even slightly too close. So if I move back just a tiny bit. So, okay, so I adjust the iris with this, so I could go down on the iris here to get my good exposure. If you just look at the camera, actually. Okay, so this is an extreme close-up lens now, isn't it? You see the distance I am from him now. Okay, but what I've done is I've gone up on the iris. I actually want to go down on the iris so I can have an open iris as much as possible. So I need to obviously add in a bit of negative gain or maybe a bit of an ND filter, depending on what I'm doing. So if you look at the camera now, so this is kind of maybe a mouth shot, I don't know. But have someone, maybe, John, someone will sit on that chair over there actually. You'll be miles away, don't worry. So you can see in terms of shallow depth of field, then because it's an f2.2 lens, it's going to be much shallower than the zoom lens. So obviously depth of field between that and the background, quite a lot. So that's the 100mm. Should we get the 50mm as well?